I always wanted to visit Himachal, at least once in a lifetime. One fine day, I got a message that, "Do you want to come to Hampta Pass?" So I decided to go to Hampta Pass. And man, I can't express how I felt in the mountains. The mountains tell a different story altogether. Himachal is one such place that you just want to slow down for a bit and look at your life. The people over there are so amazing. I haven't seen so good people quite a long time. And this place is magic. I clicked few, but I observed the rest. That's how the mountains are, and that's how they seem to be all the time.